Hello dear friends. The vegetable oil production industry in Afghanistan has witnessed a fundamental transformation over the past 2 years. With a focus on economic self-sufficiency and supporting domestic products, the sector has moved from an import-oriented state to quality domestic production. At the beginning of 2026, nearly 200 oil production plants of various scales were operating throughout Afghanistan. The volume of domestic production has reached more than 500,000 kilograms per year, covering a significant part of the market needs. This year, several key projects have been put into operation that have improved national production capacity. Opening of new factories in January 2026 for the production of linseed oil and natural oils with a daily capacity of 10 tons. The El Mayar factory, with an investment of $2 million, has provided a processing capacity of 200 tons of oil per day. Launching new production lines that, in addition to oil, also provide fodder for livestock. Helmand and Kunduz, these provinces continue to be the main production sites for cottonseed, sesame, and sunflower oils. The Kunduz state-owned Spinzer factory, as a symbol of national industrial modernization, plays an important role in stabilizing the market. According to statistical data, the production status of various oils is as follows: olive oil, with an annual growth rate of 2.3%, national production is expected to reach 950 tons in 2026. Soybean oil, despite the challenges, its domestic consumption and production is managed at around 9.3 thousand tons. Palm oil, despite its dependence on imports, efforts are underway to replace it with domestic vegetable oils, such as linseed and corn. The Afghan oil industry faces two main approaches in 2026. The biggest challenge is the shortage of oilseeds in the country. To solve this problem, the government is encouraging farmers to cultivate sunflower, soybean, and cotton. The imposition of customs duties on imported oils, especially from Pakistan, has created a competitive environment for domestic producers. Afghanistan is on the path to transforming from a consumer to a producer in the edible oils industry. With the current trend continuing and investments made in early 2026, dependence on foreign markets is expected to be minimized by the end of this year, and domestic brands will consolidate their place on people's tables.
از مردم از ملت تاخر عمجوار ولایت‌های خود می‌خواهیم روغن زغیر استعمال کنه. روغن زغیر مفید است.